Welcome to my home for the weekend, Table Mountain Inn. This is the lobby. Super Southwestern.
Wow, that's a bear.
Yeah, and they have a cougar up here. Is that what it's called? Or is that a mountain lion?
Oh, I think it is a mountain lion.
One of the guys that works here told me that they actually caught this.
No way.
Yes, guess where they caught it? Up at Table Mountain.
No way.
They caught it from up there.
That's so cool.
They caught him from up there, and they said, yeah, if you go hiking up there, you can actually see like a bunch of them up there.
That's honestly really
That's kind of
scary.
crazy and scary.
That's crazy.
Yeah. This is where you're gonna check in with beautiful Lindsay, is it? Yes. Beautiful Lindsay. And right up here, this is the second floor. This is where some of the rooms are, but we actually are on the other side of the hotel. This is where our room is on the 5th floor. I love it, look at it.
Yeah, I love
all over the walls. I'm really excited to see this room. All right.
Ooh, it's so spacious.
It is really spacious. Okay. Ooh, we get like a little living room.
Oh, this is huge.
Oh, this is like a suite. Oh my god. Oh, that's so cute.
That's so sweet.
Chocolate covered strawberries, a cute little note, and some champagne.
Oh my god.
Oh, rosé. Thank you so much, Table Mountain Inn. This is adorable. Okay, so
We have a fireplace.
let me set my bag down. Ooh! No, we got a view. Sorry, I got it.
So cute.
Gotta check out the view. Views first. Views are important.
Oh my god.
Oh. Hold up.
Wow.
Oh my god. This is so beautiful.
Oh my god.
This is so
I
beautiful.
love it. This is amazing.
Oh my god, you guys. You can see like the whole little historic downtown Golden. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. And we've been staring at this mountain since we got here. Whatever it is, we don't know yet because we just arrived.
These
but
remind me of, I can't remember what it's called.
I think it's definitely a symbol in Golden.
Yeah, it's definitely gotta have a name. We gotta
No, we gotta find out. We gotta get up there.
get up there.
Look at somebody lives there. Do you see that?
Right there, yeah.
Wow. Can you imagine living there? That's amazing. If you're coming to the West Coast, Colorado, and you're looking for like a real Southwestern vibe, this is it. I mean, like she just said, this is
Like a real life Pueblo.
like a real life Pueblo. Wow. I can't wait to wake up to this tomorrow.
I know.
This is so awesome. Okay,
It really is.
let's go check out the rest of the room. When you walk in the front door, first thing I notice is it's very spacious. They have a little coat hanger here and a full-length mirror, some closets, some nice wooden doors with an iron and ironing board, pillows and blankets, hangers to hang your stuff. It's a decent sized closet. And then as you make your way to the living room, they have a sofa with another mirror, some nice lamps, another chair, a fireplace. Let's turn this on. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. That's very like West Coast. I love it. And they have a nice TV with a dresser, a table to sit at and maybe drink your coffee in the morning. And then we're gonna check out the bedroom. Oh, it's so spacious.
I know, it's like an
Oh my
apartment.
gosh, yeah.
It's
Oop,
so
oh.
nice.
I thought I was turning the light on. I'm turning it off. Okay. So in the bedroom, they have a big desk with a nice chair, another dresser, TV, another full-length mirror. That's really nice.
Full-length mirrors.
Oh, that's a must. And then the bed is big. Oh, you found the light. There you go.
Ooh, it is big. It's like a king.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Over here on the nightstands, it's very like modern. They have 2 plugs and 2 USBs. So that's awesome. You can charge 4 things at once.
There's another porch.
I'm dead.
There's another porch.
There's
with
another balcony.
Amazing view.
No way.
Like.
Oh my
What?
God. Are you kidding me? This is so amazing.
Wow. This is incredible. We have like an apartment.
Yeah, no, this is big. This is a huge room. Oh, and they have like their own little kitchen area with a refrigerator. That's nice.
They even have a microwave.
Yeah, they even have a microwave.
So nice.
And coffee. And even, I guess if you bring your own snacks or anything, you can store them in there, tea, whatever you want. That's really nice. Oh, and it looks like they have their own coffee. Table Mountain Inn. Cool.
We'll be sipping that in the morning for our caffeine.
Okay, let's check out the bathroom. Oh. They even give you makeup remover wipes. That's nice. You got your soap, lotion, everything standard. Hair dryer, a decent sized tub. Here's the shower with your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash provided for you. I really like the tile. It goes with the whole Southwestern theme here. And the orange walls. Everything is very nice, very clean, very, very spacious. Overall, this is amazing. And right down the hall from our room is the gym. So let's check it out. Okay.
Oh, it's actually like not bad.
No, it's not bad. It's really small.
That's what I meant. Like it's actually kind of bigger than I thought.
It's small, but it's honestly, I mean, what else do you need? I mean, you have cardio, they have an elliptical, a treadmill, and they have weights.
Yeah.
There's a restroom over here.
I thought it was gonna be way smaller. They have a lot.
It's tiny, but I mean, this is really all you need.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, look at the view. It's so cute.
Oh, and of course, yeah, working out with a view.
Love that.
Beautiful. Right in here is the Cocopelli Lounge, which is where they hold their events.
Cute.
Here is their event space, conference room. That, I believe, is Bryce Canyon.
Well, we won't ever know. But
I know.
I bet you're right.
And I'm pretty sure down there is Arches.
Oh, yep, I already feel it.
Arches National Park. Okay, I know my national parks, you guys. So beautiful. So yeah, if you have any events, this is where it would be. Some people have their like wedding rehearsals in here, parties. The hotel also does catering. And then right out here is their courtyard. How cute is this?
This is adorable.
Isn't it? How beautiful. I know, there's so many plants, and I love how like staying here feels like you're living in a pueblo. It's so cute. It's so,
I feel like we're in Mexico right
exactly. It's so like Southwestern. It's so charming. It's so unique.
In the little
The cute string lights and the turquoise balconies with the iron rod. That's so beautiful. I love it. It's gorgeous.
People get married here?
I think they do because they do rehearsals. So probably.
Looks like
Are you ready?
I now to
Yeah.
be married anytime
How cute. Right over this way, down this hall right here. I'm gonna show you guys the other conference.
Migrate my courses, and so I can copy my content bit by bit, but how do I get that into his course?
How beautiful is this fireplace with those string lights? Isn't that so cute? I could totally see a wedding rehearsal in here.
Yeah, totally.
Like this is really adorable. When you walk into the lobby, if you go to the left, that's where the hotel is, where you'll check in. But if you come to the right, is where they have their Table Mountain Inn Cantina and Grill. So they have some inside seating. And it's really adorable. Their silverware is wrapped in like these cute little bandanas. Right out here is their patio, which is gorgeous. You get a nice view of Table Mountain right up there. There's some beautiful flowers. Really cute.
Seems like a popular spot.
And their food is amazing. Directly across the street from the Table Mountain Inn, which is right there. There's a Starbucks, super convenient. That's pretty awesome in my book, if I'm staying somewhere. So that is my hotel tour, room tour of Table Mountain Inn in Golden, Colorado, which is really close to Boulder. If you've never heard of it, never checked it out, it's a cute little,
So cute.
like the cutest little Southwestern town ever. Small town vibes.
Home
like,
of Coors Light.
yeah, home of Coors Light and Blue Moon,
Yeah.
right? She said that, right? It's absolutely beautiful. So definitely a must-see if you're coming to Colorado. The views are out of this world. I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but the room that we stayed in was the Santa Fe Executive Suite, in case
So nice.
anybody's wondering. Beautiful, spacious. I mean, waking up to these views every morning was absolutely incredible. So thank you, Table Mountain Inn, for hosting us, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye. And the best part about the lobby is they have free free, obviously it's free. Free fruit, that's a tongue twister. Free, she's cracking up. Free fruit infused water, and it's so good.
Say fruit, free fruit infused water 3 times fast.
Free fruit infused.
Cause it's only fun and games.